Bitcoin is breaking out, tentatively looking to climb towards the $10,000 region. And the question now becomes, has the moonshot potentially just been confirmed? What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. What is going on, my friends? Today I'd like to discuss Bitcoin and the savage action we're seeing inside the chart right now. Grandma's cookies and a bottle of yo-ho-ho. Bitcoin has broken not just one key trend line, but now looking to test one right here once again. And once again, have the bulls shown potential further upside in this trend. So as a full-time trader, I'd like to discuss with you my strategy, my game plan, and how I plan to crush this market right now in the immediate term. So without any further ado, you guys already know the deal. If you like these daily crypto videos and nightly live streams, smack that thumbs up button, click the subscribe, tick the little bell, and let's get this crypto. Moon the likes, ladies and gentlemen. Moon them up. All right, so we'll begin with our Bitcoin technical analysis. And of course, before we begin, this is not investment advice, this is not trading advice. These are only my own opinions, ideas, and observations on the market. Always do your own research and your own due diligence before investing or trading, as this market is extremely high risk, and I am not your financial advisor. I will never tell you what to do with your trades or investments. Being said, let's begin right here on the one-day time frame. As you all know, ladies and gentlemen, if you are subscribed here, I've been pointing out that I believe we were forming another bull flag yet again. And just now, Bitcoin has broken out of this pattern formation that I've had outlined here. And you guys all know where my extrapolations are, right? Let's zoom out here. I've got my teal flagpole extrapolation, which puts us, ladies and gentlemen, with a measured move all the way up into the $11,000 region. Now, this is the moonshot that I want to potentially discuss if that's been confirmed or not per classical technical analysis theory. And of course, guys, technical analysis is never perfect. It's not magic. It's a measurement of price action to formulate a hypothesis on further price action in the future, right? Let's get this crypto. So now here we are on the 4-hour time frame, all right? We see beautiful action here. This was really what was the most promising thing to me, leading me to stay long in my position. You guys know I've been long since 84.17. Shout out to my VIPs. I've kept you guys updated with my trade all the way from the breakout here at 84.17, and I still am in that trade right now, and I am adding to my position here as well. For me, the most beautiful part to stay with my long position, right? My long thesis staying intact was the fact that we formed support here 3 times on the first attempt back down. Then we tested up, shot back down, and then formed support here yet again. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you can't discredit here. We've formed higher lows every step of the way thus far. Right now, we've broken out, and to me, ladies and gentlemen, just like we saw some parabolic activity happen right here, right? You guys know this was straight parabolic action here. I'm seeing that yet again. This does look like it has a bit of a parabolic curve to it. This is absolute insanity here. The bulls are so strong here right now, in my opinion. What I do want to see, however, is more volume follow, because right now the volume is still low comparatively to what we've seen here on some of these monster moves. So I would like to see volume pick up, but right now, us breaking out of this pattern, putting in a bullish engulfing candle, and now here's the icing on the cake, ladies and gentlemen. Here it is. So we all know that our Fibonacci extensions here have played major roles in this trend thus far, acting as major resistances, right? And major supports. Right now, the 0.382 Fibonacci coincides on my chart here at about 95.37 roughly, right? And we are literally testing this right now as I am recording this this analysis here for you. So in my opinion, if Bitcoin continues to break out here, not only do we have confirmation of a breakout on the flag with new support found above old resistance, but then we would also have a breakthrough of that Fibonacci extension, which we all know, if we zoom out here, what happened the last time we broke. We went right from the 236 now up to the 0.382, and if this trend is going to continue, right, I have my measured move extrapolation with the teal flagpole, which extrapolates all the way up into the teal box. And what do you know, ladies and gentlemen? Ding, 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 chicken wings for dinner, tofu if you're vegan. We have another confluence here, the 0.5 Fibonacci extension, right up at roughly 11,500 here on my chart. This would be a relative moonshot, ladies and gentlemen. We are talking about tentatively another $2,000 move from where we currently stand, which would be over a 20% rip to the upside. Let's get this crypto. All right, so let's get down to the meat and potatoes here, right? On what I'm seeing as far as the trading goes and how I'm playing this, right? I mentioned before, shout out to my VIPs. You guys know, even if you are subscribed here on this stream, I've been showing you guys I took a long position on the breakout of my hidden ascending triangle bullish continuation pattern that I pointed out for you guys here, and then every other Moonboy social media trader and their brother all of a sudden, after Don Carbonaccio pointed out that he saw a hidden pattern here, all the other social media traders, oh yeah, by the way, actually this hidden pattern just caught my eye out of nowhere, James. They all took Don Carbonaccio's pattern. But that's all right. I hope it worked out for him. It sure as heck worked out for me. I took a long right here from 84.17, posted my trade alert for my VIPs, kept you all updated with that. I wound up taking some profits up inside this region when we did get a dump, but then I kept about 30% of my position long right now, which I still am in at 84.17. And you guys can see right now, I have posted exclusive new positions that I'm entering now. Upon this breakout here, I'm going to add more long positions to my trade, and I'm moving my stop loss for my entire position up to continue locking in profits, right? I pointed this out for you guys yesterday, that I said I kept moving my stop loss up higher and higher and higher and higher, just in case this trend did give way here, that I would get stopped out for a profit, right? I'm not letting this slip down below my entry. It would have either way been a beautiful profit, even if it did dump, right? But now I'm moving my stop loss higher and higher up. Now we're talking up into the over $9,000 region. So even if we do dump, ladies and gentlemen, I'm already locking in spectacular profits here on my personal trade from 84.17. And right now, as I've stated, I'm going long in here once again, because of these breakouts here on the pattern that was a potential bull flag formation, in my opinion, which I am confident now is breaking out to the upside. And if we do in fact get above this 0.382 Fibonacci, ladies and gentlemen, it may be right off to the races. And listen, right, yesterday's stream, I titled it, "Is the bull trend about to collapse?" Right? Reel these moon boys in, right? The clickbait, Kirby. Oh, the clickbait, Kirby. Oh! It's not really clickbait. I'm discussing is there a possible trend collapse here? And if you did watch the stream, I didn't believe that there was a trend collapse coming. My thesis remains bullish. And I'd also now like to look here at the Google Trends data for Bitcoin to further my hypothesis there. But if you are just tuning in now, don't forget to moon up the likes, moon them up, smash those thumbs, click the subscribe button, tick the little bell, and let's get this crypto. I'm fired up, ladies and gentlemen, right? These moon boys come on these streams, they type 1,000,000 miles an hour. Curry, like fiends in a back alley, ladies and gentlemen. Don Carbonaccio does not stand for these moon boys. Don Carbonaccio just keeps planning to crush the market, keep my head down, focus, and grind on getting this crypto, right? These streams, they can either like it or they don't like it. But either way, they better learn to love it, because this is the best thing going inside the cryptocurrency space today. Let's get this crypto. Sheesh. Over to the Google Trends data. Sheesh. All right, so we're looking at Bitcoin on the worldwide scale for the past 5 years. What we have here, ladies and gentlemen, is very clearly, in my opinion, the starting of a true uptrend being built. As we can see, during the bear market, we had some rallies, right? But we always broke down to lows that could never even retest the high, right? And the relative high there was in November 2018 at roughly a 14, right? And the 14 is comparative to the high in December 2017. We had not been able to get past that level. We even retested almost to it at a 12, declined, and then for the first time, with our movements now out of the bear market, in May, we climbed to a 19 to create a higher high for the first time in quite some time. Now, we have pulled back quite a bit, but what I'm loving here is that we're continuing to form now higher lows above the old regions, right? We had a 9, a 12. Now here, 11, 12 is the bottom. And right now, the trend data is incomplete. It's just partial data here, but it's projecting that we are looking at a 15 for this week. Let's get this crypto. And if we even look in here on the past 90 days, what we can see now is that we're still with the action we're seeing in this market right now, right? The trend data hasn't been going parabolic here, yet the price has continued to sustain upwards parabola, right? And also, I did touch on this, but I just want you all to be understanding of what I'm seeing here. We've had multiple occurrences of sheer parabola here. There's one, right? Here's the next one, right here, sheer parabola. And if this plays out how my hypothesis is seeing that this could play out, I see all the makings here yet again that we could be on another parabolic advance, potentially to see this flagpole continue to the upside, right? And right now, the Google Trends data for me doesn't look like it's going overly crazy here on these short-term time frames, which is great. That's what I mean by this. Is great, in my opinion. The fact that it's not going parabolic, yet the prices is great, because what happens here if we get another parabolic leg on the Google Trends data, right? It may indicate that the price could surge even higher, right? Just a hypothesis. I know many moon boys get angry. Why are you looking at the Google Trends, Kirby? Why? Because I like to have a well-rounded approach and analyze everything that I can and have at my fingertips. Let's get this crypto. Sheesh. All right. Now, I also just want to cover here, ladies and gentlemen, because I've just kind of given you the moon boy perspective here on the parabolic advance potential, the flagpole potential, us breaking this Fibonacci potential here to the next level, et cetera, et cetera. But let's say that this breaks down, right? What am I looking for here if we break down? Well, quite obviously, I think getting rejected here at the 0.382, roughly around 95.20, 95.50, anywhere in that vicinity would not be a good look for us here. But right now it appears to be looking very healthy, and just even more so, if we can't get out of this red box, even if we break the Fibonacci, there could be a fake out, right? That we get rejected. And if we start trading back below this red box after testing the top of it, and we come back down here somewhere in this region, it could get a little bit sticky. So right now, you have to keep your head on a swivel. You have to be ready to get this crypto, take new positions like I just showed you guys here. Not only am I staying in my long from 84.17, but I've been adding to my position now, right? Shout out to my VIPs. You guys know I've kept you updated with my trades here. And right now, the fact of the matter is that you must be diligent, because you're either going to get wrecked by making horrid decisions, or on the contrary, you're just going to purely miss potentially life-changing opportunity if you're not watching the charts with an eagle eye, right? For example, I know that many novice traders will not have identified this bull flag here, right? And they would have missed the breakout. That's just a matter of fact, right? And the fact is here, ladies and gentlemen, is that, again, technical analysis is not perfect, but it allows me to see the price action, evaluate, use classical technical analysis theory, and formulate a hypothesis for a high reward, low risk trade setup that over time for me allows me to be profitable trading this market, right? Let's get this crypto. And guys, I will continue to keep you all updated with my trades here in VIP. as I do plan to continue to add to my position if we remain parabolic. I'm going to be taking profits on my current positions, moving my stop losses higher and higher to lock those in with a trailing stop loss strategy, right? And so guys, shout out to my VIPs and shout out to all of my new future VIPs joining VIP right now after this video. I'm ready to crush this market. Are you? Let's get this crypto, all right? I'll see you in VIP right after this video. Now, another thing to look at here, ladies and gentlemen, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Right now, we are in the extremely greedy territory at an 81 at the time of recording. But as we can see here, what I'm really liking is that we are on a clear upward sloping trajectory here on the Fear and Greed Index, right? Notice all throughout the bear market here, downward sloping trajectory, right? The peaks were getting lower, lower, lower. Now the peaks are getting higher, higher, higher. It's as simple as that, right? If I was able to draw a trend line here, the trend line from the tops of these peaks is surely slanting downwards as an overhead resistance. Now, on the contrary, if we draw lines from the bottom, we have upward sloping support, right? And upward sloping overhead resistance, not downward sloping, which to me, ladies and gentlemen, again, is more bullish sentiment. Of course, you don't want to see it extremely greedy here for the fact that that can be a contrarian indicator. But right now, climbing out of a bear market, entering into multiple series of parabolic advancements here, guys. This is what I want to see, because it's near impossible, in my opinion, for parabola to take place and the Fear and Greed Index to be neutral or fearful, right? In straight parabolic advances, you're going to see the greed be very high. That's just a natural occurrence. So right now, Bitcoin at the time of recording here is still chugging along over 9,500, looking to test to 9,600 now once again. My VIPs know, we are so far past it now. Essentially, guys, I did take a long right here to add to my position just above 9,400. I believe my position was 94.14. I went long again. So now I do have my positions from this breakout. I have my positions from this breakout, and I'm ready to get this crypto. The altcoins right now, ladies and gentlemen, have been getting absolutely decimated. This is the fiat value here. But if we also look at the Bitcoin comparative, it is just an absolute horror scene here, ladies and gentlemen. Bitcoin is running the show right now. Big time traders are trading Bitcoin. I'm trading Bitcoin, and right now I'm ready to get this crypto. I'm going to be trading this absolutely aggressively here, as I've been showing you guys. And right now, the trend looks juicy. Are we going to see more parabola here? For the title of this video, has the moonshot been confirmed? Of course, I cannot say that it's been confirmed at this time, as we do need to see further activity here from the bulls. If we can get past this 0.382 Fibonacci and build support above it inside this red box and shoot above, if we can start trading up above this red box and consolidating, ladies and gentlemen, so for me, above really 10,000, if we can get above 10,000 and hold support and not get an immediate rejection, it's looking to me like this flagpole extrapolation for the bull flag could have a high probability to play out for a moonshot up to our 0.5 Fibonacci, potentially around the 11,500 region. Let's get this crypto. I'm fired up. Of course, once again, ladies and gentlemen, these are just my own opinions and speculative hypotheses. This is not investment advice. This is not trading advice. I'm not your financial advisor, and I'll never tell you what to do with your trades or investments. This market is extremely high risk. For me right now, I'm looking to get even more aggressive than I've been, as if this is the next start of another parabolic advance, which, I mean, when we look at this trajectory here, does this not look parabolic again, James? Does this not look parabolic again, Joe? It's looking to me like there's potential, ladies and gentlemen. And when there's life-changing trading opportunity potentially looming in the shadows, you best believe that Don Carbonaccio is looking to strike right upon it, ladies and gentlemen, like a cobra out of the grass. And like I said earlier, right, these moon boys, they come on here. Why are you saying James and Joe, Kirby? Why are you making those voices, Kirby? As I stated, you can like it or you don't like it. But either way, they better learn to love it, because this is the best thing going in the cryptocurrency space today. Let's get this crypto. Ladies and gentlemen, if you could one last time, moon up the likes, moon them up, smash those thumbs, click the subscribe button, tick the little bell, and let's get this crypto. Satoshi needs a new pair of shoes. I'm going to go back to my VIPs right now. I'm going to continue looking for more trades to take here, more potentially life-changing trading opportunity that looms in the shadows that Don Carbonaccio is looking to strike upon. And I'm going to keep you guys updated every step of the way in absolute real time to the exact second as I enter my trades, take my profits, adjust my stop losses, and get this crypto. So shout out to my VIPs and shout out to all of my new future VIPs joining VIP right now after this video. I will see you all in VIP right now. And until next time, my friends, be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs.